Hello traders and welcome to our channel. In this new playlist, we are going to explore everything you need to know about MetaTrader 5, one of the most powerful trading platforms in the world. Whether you are completely new to trading or already have experience, this series will help you master MetaTrader 5. We will start from the beginning. I'll show you how to download, install and set up MetaTrader 5 on your system. Then we will move on to create a new demo account so you can start practicing trading easily and safely. You will also learn trading operations, how to open and close trades, manage orders, and understand the price chart. Later in this playlist, we will cover both technical and fundamental analysis and explore tools like the strategy testers, signals, and analytical objects on MetaTrader 5. I'll also show you how to create profiles and templates which will help you speed up your trading setup. So now we are going to talk about why to watch this playlist. This playlist is designed to give you practical, real-world knowledge and not just theory. You will also see real examples, real charts, and real strategies explained in a simple way. So if you are new to MetaTrader 5, start from the first video and follow along step by step. But if you already know something about MetaTrader 5, you can jump to any topic you want to have more information about. Alright traders, let's get started. In the next video, we will begin with how to install MetaTrader 5 platform and set your first demo account. Thank you for watching.